Reaction is still coming in from the final report of the Aged Care Royal Commission, with providers and staff focused on two key recommendations: a rating system to make it easier for people to compare standards, and a minimum amount of time staff are required to spend with residents. Social Affairs correspondent Norman Hermont reports.
At this nursing home in Adelaide, the Aged Care Royal Commission wasn't exactly the centre of discussion, but some of the recommendations on staffing could have a big impact on the care these and other residents receive.
Just in time.
The Royal Commission recommended by July 2022, staff on average should spend at least 200 minutes per day with each resident. Aged care providers say they support that, but they'll need help.
We have constraints around funding and we can't walk away from that, and we need to be funded to make sure that we can put the time on the floor as well as pay people adequately.
The Commission also recommends facilities have at least one registered nurse on site at all times from July 2024. In Wollongong, aged care worker Michelle Beliayev believes measures that will increase the time staff spend with residents are long overdue. But she says introducing that scheme in a year's time is too late.
To me, the government needs to act now, and they can act now. The understaffing is a major issue, as well as the underfunding.
No one disputes these recommendations are going to cost a lot of money. The federal government already spends about $20 billion a year on aged care, and depending on its response, that bill could easily double. So far, some sort of levy or a tax increase hasn't been ruled out. Health consultants Carla and Neil Barron were hired to improve operations at Adelaide's notorious aged care home in Oakden. They quit after witnessing terrible abuse and neglect. One key recommendation, they say, a rating system to rank aged care homes on things like staffing levels and reviews from residents.
If you're going to put someone in a home, you almost need a postgraduate university degree. It's ridiculous. So a star rating, a simple star rating would be helpful.
Just one of many overdue changes they hope the government will now make happen. Norman Hermont, ABC News.